Mainly because it's on 7/4. Any musicians out there? Yeah. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. But this is
Okay, yeah.
this is inspired by our young people, our rangatahi. How awesome they are, how beautiful they are, but they've got the issues as well, with all the Facebook bullying and all that stuff going on, and especially for our young girls, you know, being bombarded by all the billboards and Photoshop magazines and all that kind of bullshit. So we're just trying to teach them and, to believe in themselves, and that beauty comes from within. Yeah. As I say this, though, gravity sets it, and that shit sags. You gotta have a laugh, hey? There's a bit of a punk one too. Oi, oi, oi! Yeah, man. Here we go. But just can't help the boyfriend full of guts. He doesn't want to love himself. Hey sister, oh beauty sister, so loving sister, realize your worth to yourself. You can never escape until we turn around. You can never escape till we turn around. We can never escape until you turn around. You can never escape until you turn around.